Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, August 21st, 2025. Let's take a look at the Ethereum on Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart of the Ethereum quoted to USDC, Japanese candlesticks. On my chart, let's take a look what is going on here. Why this chart is particularly interesting? Well, the answer is very simple. We have something very interesting here on the chart. This is bullish engulfing pattern on a daily time frame chart. Quite important candlestick pattern, especially after this correction has been completed, probably has been completed. If we apply our Fibonacci retracement tool from the lows of the last swing to the highs of the last swing, there you go, something like this, you can clearly see that we retraced 50% of the last swing high. This is a quite important retracement level, very typical retracement target for most of the markets. Very nice reaction from a test of this level. Well, what will today bring? That's the question that everyone is asking. If there is a confirmation of this bullish engulfing pattern in form of the next very nice green candle instead of the red as it is right now. So if there's a green candle here, we have the confirmation. If there's third candle, which is again green, then we have the extension to the upside. Of course, the first obvious target is 4,750, the swing high from the August 14th, for example, right? So very interesting situation here on the daily time frame chart of the Ethereum. Let's apply our RSI indicator, and we can see that obviously we went down from the extremely overbought market conditions on a daily time frame chart towards the level of 52 points. We hit almost the neutral level. Last time we bounced from this neutral level very nicely, and that of course turned out to be very nice impulsive movement to the upside. This time we want to see something very similar. Moreover, if we apply the trend line to the RSI indicator as well, we want to see RSI coming to hit this trend line, coming towards this trend line to hit it. All right. Of course, the breakout is welcome for bulls, right? They will be happy, as this would mostly means that the market will rally way higher. Nevertheless, even if we hit this the trend line and then reverse, that's fine. Nevertheless, please notice the situation when we have a 5-wave impulsive cycle. That might be the last wave to the upside. Now, in our other scenario, back like 1 or 2 weeks ago, we got a possible top for the wave 3 around here, including the 161% Fibonacci projection level, right? So this might be the beginning of the corrective cycle. Moreover, if you take a look at this current situation, this movement to the downside, the one that we consider to be a corrective one, is in 3 waves, A, B, and C. But it doesn't actually means that the correction is over, because this simple correction, ABC simple correction, might evolve into more complex and time-consuming correction. For example, some kind of a connector X and then ABC to the downside again. And that would mean that eventually some sort of the wave 4 is in progress, which is typical corrective cycle, bigger degree corrective cycle that comes after wave 3 top. So right now, either very strong movement to the upside, breakout above 4,745, or another 3-wave upside movement, correction to the downside, 3-wave upside movement, correction to the downside, and that's our confirmation that the wave 4 is in progress. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.